Today, I'm going to be attempting to solve my 7x7 Rubik's Cube with only one hand. This is a lot harder than just solving a normal 3x3 with one hand because of how thin all the layers are. So this is probably one of my most difficult challenges yet, so make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. So my 7x7 is scrambled now, so let's get started. Okay, so we're done with the first center, and it's already been 4 minutes, so my guess is this is going to take a while. Alright, so now we're down to the yellow center. Didn't take quite as long as the first one, but now on to the last 4. Alright, I'm finally on to the last 2 centers, so I'm going to need to use some commutators now, so hopefully I don't mess up. Alright, so now I'm done with all the centers, as you can see, and time to move on to edge pairing. Okay, so this was the part that I wasn't really looking forward to, parity. So I might mess up the parity alg because it's just hard to remember when you're doing it so slow, but I hope not. Okay, yes, I did it. So now it's just 3x3 stage and then it's finished. Alright, and it's finished. So it was 28 minutes and 10 seconds. It honestly wasn't too hard, it just hurt my hand a lot. If you want to see me do more challenges like this, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any ideas for challenges, make sure to comment them below.